Welcome back to our deep dive. Last time, things got pretty mind-bending
Yeah,
as we explored how AI is simplifying quantum entanglement.
absolutely. And as promised, we're about to take things even further. This isn't just about physics anymore. We're talking about potential impacts across a whole range of fields.
Okay, I'm all ears. Where do we even begin?
Well, imagine a world where AI is helping us design new drugs with incredible precision
Hmm.
or creating materials with properties we've only dreamed of.
It's like unlocking a whole new level of control over the very building blocks of our world. It's hard to even grasp the possibilities.
That's the thing about scientific breakthroughs. They often have ripple effects far beyond what we can initially imagine. Take finance, for example.
Mm.
AI could revolutionize risk assessment and portfolio management, leading to more stable markets.
So this isn't just some abstract scientific concept. It could have a real impact on everyone's lives. But let's zoom back in on the entanglement breakthrough itself. I'm still fascinated by how the scientists and that AI Pythias work together.
It's a classic example of how challenging assumptions can lead to amazing discoveries. Remember, those scientists were initially skeptical. They were essentially being told by an AI how to do their jobs better.
Yeah, that's got to be a blow to the ego, right? I mean, hold my coffee, AI. I've got a PhD in quantum physics, but
Yeah.
to their credit, they were open-minded enough to give it a shot.
And that open-mindedness paid off big time. Their willingness to let Pythias guide their research, even when it suggested something totally unexpected, is what led to this breakthrough. It's a great example of how collaboration, even with an AI, can lead to amazing things.
It makes you wonder if sometimes our own human biases and assumptions hold us back from making discoveries.
Absolutely. And this study highlights the importance of humility in science, being willing to admit we don't have all the answers, and that unexpected sources can offer incredible insights.
This whole thing is sparking so many questions in my mind. If AI can unlock these secrets in quantum physics, what other mysteries are out there just waiting for an AI to come along and untangle them?
It's a fascinating question. This study has certainly opened up a whole new avenue of research, but for now, let's focus on what we do know. We've talked about the potential benefits, but we can't ignore the practical challenges.
Right, we touched on noise earlier, that constant threat to those delicate quantum states. It's like trying to write a symphony while a marching band is practicing next door, isn't it?
Another great analogy, and that's one of the key areas where scientists are focusing their efforts finding ways to shield these quantum systems from that noise and make them more stable.
But isn't there another big challenge? I remember the article mentioning something about cost.
Yes, cost is a major hurdle right now. Building and maintaining these quantum systems is incredibly expensive. It's like having a fleet of Ferraris, amazing to have, but not exactly practical for everyday use.
So we're talking about making this technology more accessible, more like a reliable everyday car than a flashy sports car.
Exactly, that's a key focus for researchers. They're working on ways to simplify these technologies and make them more affordable so they can benefit everyone, not just a select few.
Mm.
It's about democratizing access to this incredible new frontier of science.
Okay, so we've covered potential benefits, the cool partnership between scientists and AI, and the real world challenges. But what I'm really itching to know more about is this quantum internet everyone keeps talking about. What can you tell us about that?
Well, buckle up because this is where things get really exciting.
Hmm.
The quantum internet is essentially a communication network built on the principles of quantum mechanics, specifically entanglement.
Hmm.
And remember, any attempt to eavesdrop on an entangled system would instantly alter its state, setting off an alarm.
So it's like having a built-in security system that's virtually unhackable.
Precisely. And thanks to this simpler method of entanglement, building this quantum internet might be much closer to reality than we previously thought. Imagine a world where online banking, government communications, even personal messages are completely secure from any snooping.
That sounds almost too good to be true. Are we talking about a future where cybercrime is basically eliminated?
It's definitely a step in that direction. While it's unlikely that cybercrime would vanish overnight, the quantum internet would add an unprecedented layer of security to our digital lives.
Okay, so we've got unhackable communication. What else is on this quantum menu of potential applications?
Well, let's not forget about quantum computing. You've probably heard about these futuristic computers that can solve problems in seconds that would take traditional computers millions of years.
Yeah, it's hard to wrap my head around the sheer scale of that computational power.
And guess what? Entanglement is a key ingredient in making these quantum computers work ends. Their magic entangled particles can exist in multiple states at once, allowing these computers to process information at an incredible speed. It's like having millions of processors all working together in perfect harmony.
So we're talking about revolutionizing fields like medicine materials, science, even artificial intelligence itself. It's like opening a door to a whole new dimension of possibilities.
The potential is truly mind-blowing. Think about it developing life-saving drugs,
Hmm.
creating new materials with unimaginable properties, pushing the boundaries of AI even further.
It makes you wonder, are we on the verge of a new scientific renaissance?
It's certainly starting to feel that way. This entanglement breakthrough, combined with the rise of powerful AI tools, is creating a synergy that could reshape our understanding of the universe and our place within it.
It's all incredibly exciting, but let's not forget the human element behind all this technology. There are brilliant scientists dedicating their lives to pushing the boundaries of knowledge.
Absolutely. While AI played a crucial role in this entanglement discovery, it was ultimately the scientists' insight, creativity, and perseverance that made it possible. They designed the experiments, interpreted the results, and challenged existing paradigms.
It's a reminder that even in this age of incredible technological advancement, human ingenuity is still at the heart of scientific progress.
And it underscores the importance of investing in education research and supporting the next generation of scientists who will continue to unravel the mysteries of the universe.
So we've covered a lot of ground in this part of our deep dive. What are some key takeaways for our listener to ponder as we head into the final part of our exploration?
The main takeaway is that we're standing at the dawn of a new era in science and technology. This simplified entanglement method, fueled by the power of AI, has the potential to revolutionize everything from communication to computation.
It's like we're holding a key that could unlock a whole new universe of possibilities.
But it's crucial to remember that with great power comes great responsibility. We need to be mindful of the potential impact of these technologies on society and ensure they are used for good.
But that's a perfect segue into the final part of our deep dive. Next time, we'll explore some of the broader societal implications of this quantum revolution and discuss how we can shape this future in a way that benefits all of humanity.
So until next time, stay curious,
Yeah.
stay engaged, and join us as we venture even deeper into the fascinating world of quantum possibilities.
Welcome back to the final part of our quantum adventure. We've journeyed through the mind-bending world of entanglement, explored how AI is simplifying this complex phenomenon, and uncovered a universe of potential applications.
And now it's time to step back and consider the bigger picture,
Oh, okay.
the societal and philosophical implications of this quantum revolution that's unfolding before our very eyes.
It's like we've been so focused on the how of this entanglement breakthrough
Right.
that we haven't had a chance to really think about the what now, what does it all mean for us as individuals and as a society?
It's an important question to ask anytime we're dealing with technologies this powerful.
Right.
We need to be mindful of the potential impact on humanity.
Hmm.
Remember, history is full of examples where technological advancements outpaced our ethical frameworks,
Mm-hmm.
sometimes with unintended consequences.
Yeah, we definitely don't want to repeat those mistakes. So what are some of the potential pitfalls we need to be aware of as we enter this quantum age?
Well, one of the most pressing concerns is the potential for misuse,
Okay.
especially when it comes to privacy and security. Quantum computers with their immense processing power could theoretically crack even the most sophisticated encryption algorithms that protect our online data.
So we're talking about a world where governments or corporations could potentially access anyone's personal information, financial records, everything.
Potentially, yes.
All without us even knowing. That's a pretty unsettling thought.
Yeah, it's definitely something we need to be thinking about. And that's why it's crucial to have robust regulations and international agreements in place.
Right.
To prevent the abuse of these quantum technologies, it's about finding the right balance between harnessing the power of these advancements while safeguarding individual rights and freedoms.
It sounds like a massive challenge, but I'm also wondering, what about the impact on jobs? I mean, if quantum computers can do the work of millions of people, won't that lead to widespread unemployment?
It's a valid concern. As quantum computing matures, it's likely that certain jobs, particularly those involving complex calculations and data analysis, will become automated.
Right.
But it's not all doom and gloom. This technological shift also presents an opportunity to create new jobs in industries we can't even imagine yet.
So it's about adapting and evolving just like we've done with every major technological shift in the past.
Exactly. The key is to be proactive.
Mm.
We need to invest in education and training programs that equip people with the skills they need to thrive in this quantum-powered world.
Yeah.
It's about preparing for the future, not fearing it.
It's like learning a new language. It might seem daunting at first, but once you master it, a whole new world of opportunities opens up. Okay, so we've talked about some of the potential downsides, but let's flip the script for a moment. What are some of the positive societal impacts we might see as quantum technologies become more widespread?
Well, imagine a world where personalized medicine is a reality thanks to the power of quantum computing.
Okay.
We could develop treatments tailored to an individual's unique genetic makeup, leading to more effective therapies and fewer side effects.
That's incredible. It would be like having a medical team designed specifically for you.
Or think about the potential for addressing climate change. Quantum computers could help us develop new energy sources, optimize resource management, and model climate patterns with unprecedented accuracy. We could finally have the tools we need to tackle this global challenge head-on.
Wow, those are some pretty inspiring possibilities. It sounds like quantum technologies could not only solve some of our biggest problems, but also unlock a whole new level of human potential.
Absolutely. And we've only just scratched the surface. As we continue to explore and understand the quantum realm, we're bound to discover even more applications that will reshape our world in unimaginable ways.
This whole journey has been such a mind-blowing experience. It's like
Yeah.
we've been transported to a different dimension where the rules of reality are rewritten.
It's a humbling reminder that there's still so much we don't know about the universe,
Right.
but it's also incredibly exciting. We're living in a time of unprecedented scientific discovery, a time where the boundaries of knowledge are being pushed further than ever before.
And who knows, maybe one day some of our listeners will be the ones making those groundbreaking discoveries.
I wouldn't be surprised at all. The future of science belongs to those who are curious, who are not afraid to ask questions, and who are passionate about exploring the unknown.
So, dear listener, as we wrap up this deep dive into the quantum realm, we encourage you to keep those questions burning bright.
Stay curious, stay engaged, and keep exploring the wonders of the universe.
And always remember, the future is full of possibilities, especially when we embrace the power of science technology and the boundless potential of the human mind.
Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey. We'll see you next time on The Deep Dive.